Ah, good timing, lad. I sent 2 of my best knights into parley with the orc leader. They should be returning shortly. Damn. These orcs will never surrender.
Then let's get in there and destroy the beasts.
Remember, Arthas, we are paladins. Vengeance cannot be a part of what we must do. If we allow our passions to turn to bloodlust, we will become as vile as the orcs.
Yes, Uther.
If you're feeling up to it, I want you to lead the attack.
Me? Well, of course.
I'll remain here and ensure that none of the loathsome beasts threaten the camp.
I won't fail you.
I know you won't, lad.
Ready to work, or work? Yes, my lord.
More gold is required.
Ready to work.
What? More gold is required.
Righto. Ready to work, yes, my lord. All right. What is it? Job done. Ready to work.
More gold is required.
Off I go then. More work. Righto. Job's done.
What?
Yes, my lord.
Is there danger? I stand for the light. Justice shall be done.
Job's done.
More gold is required.
Yes, my lord. Off I go then. All right, all right. Yes, my lord. Righto. Off I go then.
Ready for action.
Righto. Off I go then.
I'm here to help.
Orders? Of course.
The light is my strength.
Ready for action.
What is it? Yes, my lord.
Yes, my liege. Right. Ready for action. What do you need? Ready for action. Say the word. Ready for action.
I stand for the light. Certainly.
What do you need? Whoa! Ready for action. Say the word. Attack!
Paladin fool! The warlocks of the BLACKROCK clan have spoken. Soon, demons will rain from the sky, and this wretched world will burn.
Yes, I've heard this rhetoric before. You orcs will never learn. It was only a mirror image. Damn it. What are these curs up to?
The hour of doom approaches. Let this paltry sacrifice appease our demon masters.
You sick bastards. You'll never get away with it.
Slay the orcs.
Slay them all!
A sound plan.
Ready for action.
Is there danger?
Yes, my liege.
The light is my
Orders?
strength.
What do you need? Orders? Aye, my lord. On my way. Yes, my liege.
I'm here to help.
Say the word.
Is there danger? Of course. I stand for the light. The light is my strength.
Say the word.
I'm here to help. A sound plan. Of course. For honor. Certainly. Justice has come. For honor. Certainly. A sound plan. Of course. Feel my wrath. Found me. A sound plan. For my father, the king. You are past death. Justice shall be done. For honor. Of course. Certainly. Certainly. Betrayer of the light. For my father, the king. For honor. A sound plan. Justice has come. Of course. Our town is under siege.
You've done well, lad. This was a sound victory.
I don't know, Uther. The orcs were sacrificing townsfolk. I think they were trying to summon demons.
Have faith, lad. These orcs are trying to hold on to dying traditions. We defeated their demons a long time ago. Let's head for home. It's been a long day.